I chose to study at Gower College Swansea because they offer a wide range of courses. Since studying at the college, I've learned the fundamentals of running a business, which has been really useful when starting my own cake company.
Gower College Swansea has provided me with support to progress onto top-level universities, and I've just accepted an offer for natural sciences at Cambridge.
When I left school, I didn't really know what I wanted to do. Gower College Swansea does help you with trying to find a course that's right for you. If you're thinking about enrolling at Gower College Swansea, I think it's a great opportunity to develop skills that you can use in workplaces and in life.
The college is a great place to find out what you want to do with your future because there are so many pathways to choose from.
The college's role is to provide students with the best teaching and support for them to achieve their aims, whether that's progression onto a top university, into an apprenticeship, a job, a higher level course within the college, or some individualised support to allow all of our learners to achieve their ambition.
And thanks to the college,
I'm good to go.